What's up, YouTube? So, for this week, we're going to talk about Google. Google has their event coming up on Tuesday, much like, Apple, Tesla, and Amazon with their product releases. Google is next up to bat. So, I want to give you the quick on what I'm watching. I actually am kind of excited for this one. I do think the markets are turning around. I think this week's going to be a green week. I don't know if it's going to be a relief rally or a market bottom. Is this just the best dip buy of all time? Are we going to push up to somewhere up here, kind of make another lower high, and trend our way down? I don't know how much hype is going to come from the product. It's all speculation. The next phone, stuff like that. So we'll see when it comes out. But I do want to keep an eye. I know we're probably going to really struggle if you play Google at all. It really struggles to get right above this level right here. This is not the fastest mover in the world. Like, when it moves, and then it just does some nonsense all day. We can jump into the higher time frames. You can see we're definitely starting to consolidate, though. It's starting to really hang out, and it's really getting bought up right inside here. So once we actually get we just got above it Friday. We need to stay above it. We need to break this trend with one solid day down, followed by like a green Thursday and a green Friday. All in all, though, that's just a pullback for more, to the downside. The trend never actually broke. So, once we get above like the 1460 level, we've probably established a daily uptrend. As long as we close the day above that 1460, the daily trend has now changed. I'm looking out for that. Now, I'm actually already going to be taking a position. And I'm actually going to keep my stop at the 1390. I was thinking 1395 area. I'll stop out there. Seeing these wicks, I might take a smaller position, actually, yeah. I think I will. Oh, yeah, I got to put the charts tell me. 1385 is where I'm definitely wrong. It could just drop out and be a wick. If I decide to do anything smaller, I might keep my stops a little bit tighter. Maybe. Actually, yeah. Given the fact that we might already be gapping up in the morning, we'll have to see when we get in the morning where we're at on this. Did we gap down? Did we gap above? If we're already down here, this type 2 area, if we did gap down, if there was any kind of profit taking from Friday, I still like to dip buy in this zone. At that point, 1385 will be my stop. Anything else, I'll probably keep it at the... I don't like stopping out at 1399. I'll stop out at 1396. 1396, and I'll just babysit. It might just drop down, might be a wick, might be a giant red candle like this. I'll keep my stops there, let it tag out, probably babysit it that day. But I think we do push from zone to zone. If we do crack above that, though, our next area, the next struggle spot is going to be up. Ooh, man, it's going to be right up here. Nothing but sellers right here, so we need to get above that level. If that does break, my dip buy scenario, might catch the knife. It's got to be around here somewhere. Yeah, actually, it's right here, as a matter of fact. At that point, I'm catching a knife. So those are your 4 levels. That's what I'm watching. I'm actually going to be taking the bullish trade this week. This will be a swing trade. I want to take advantage of the week since this isn't the fastest mover. I don't want to get too excited and catch a couple of random days like this and then miss out on a bigger move like this. Not to FOMO you into any trade, but that's how I'm going to position this one. A little bit wider stop, let it do its thing, let it dance around, and to keep my alerts on all of these zones. So I will end it here, guys. I will see you in the next video.